Okay, guys, so this little guy, oh, you good down there, my guy? Huh? He likes flipping himself upside down. Let me go fix that. Hold up. I'm sorry. He ran into my window very hard. Very, very hard, all right? And I don't think he's okay mentally and physically. I think his brain's a little off. Because look at him. He depends on my hand. Look. He loves me. Earlier he loved me, okay? See, look. And then I'll stop. And she'll stay. So I know birds need warmth, and I'm in my basement, so I turned my heater on, and hopefully my room will warm up, and it'll be better for him. Or her. Whatever gender it is. Did you just poop? You just pooped. You crusty little fella. Oh, stop flipping upside down. Look. When I say he's not right, he's not right. Like, not right in the head. Wait, are you climbing up the walls, Bubba? Yeah. You gonna flip sideways yet? Yeah. Surprised he hasn't flipped over yet. Oh, Lord. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Goodbye. I'll try to keep you guys updated if I can keep it.